Applications and innovations of blockchain technology in the financial sector. December 19, 2024. Deutsche Bank establishes Layer 2 scaling network on Ethereum based on ZKsync technology. Deutsche Bank is developing a public and permissioned Layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum based on ZKsync technology. The project aims to address compliance issues associated with public chains while enhancing transaction speed. This Layer 2 network may grant regulators super admin privileges for deeper monitoring of fund flows. This Layer 2 network is part of Deutsche Bank's Dama 2 multi-chain initiative, which is part of the Monetary Authority of Singapore's Project Guardian, bringing together 24 major financial institutions to explore the use of blockchain technology for asset tokenization. 2. Sapon launches Validium mainnet based on Avail network ***. Sapon has launched the first Validium mainnet based on the Avail network, boasting a total value locked (TVL) of over $500 million. Sapon aims to pave the way for scalable consumer-facing blockchain applications, utilizing Validium technology to achieve higher transaction speeds and lower costs. Sapon has attracted over 5,800 independent participants who purchased 120,000 node licenses, totaling $60 million in value. Node operators will receive a share of transaction fees and token rewards. Sapon has established partnerships with several industry-leading companies across sectors such as mobile gaming, digital ticketing, sports betting, and cloud computing, aiming to provide mainstream users with a seamless cryptocurrency experience. 3. Innovations and prospects of Sapon ***. Sapon employs a modular architecture, leveraging the data availability layer of the Avail network to establish the industry's first Validium mainnet, setting new standards in performance, security, and decentralization. Sapon is collaborating with Beam to launch a $1.5 million accelerator fund focused on the gaming sector in Abu Dhabi. Additionally, it has partnered with Tactical Compute to invest $40 million in projects that combine cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence. Sapon aims to become the ideal platform for next-generation entertainment applications, covering gaming, AI, and more, driving blockchain technology towards mainstream adoption. Summary: 2024 Cryptocurrency Market Outlook, Ethereum, Floki, and Solana expected to surge. Article Overview ***. 1. Renowned analysts predict that Ethereum, ETH, is on the verge of a God candle surge, potentially reaching its historical high of $4,800. 2. The meme coin Floki is also showing signs of breaking through symmetrical triangle resistance, with analysts forecasting a new high of $0.00038. 3. Ethereum competitor Solana is expected to break resistance and aim for a target of $300. 4. Emerging projects like Core DAO and DeepBook Protocol are exhibiting strong upward momentum and are worth watching. 5. Ethereum Name Service, ENS, plans to launch a Layer 2 solution called Namechain, which is expected to enhance scalability and accessibility. 6. The stablecoin maker, MKR, is also showing signs of breaking through a downward trend line, indicating a potential rebound. Conclusion ***. Overall, the cryptocurrency market presents an optimistic outlook, with Ethereum and its ecosystem projects, Floki, and several emerging projects showing strong upward potential. Investors should closely monitor these tokens to seize market opportunities. Bitcoin investor arrested for tax evasion. December 19, 2024. Key points ***. 1. Frank Richard Algren III, an early Bitcoin investor from Texas, was arrested for failing to accurately report capital gains from cryptocurrency. 2. Algren began investing in Bitcoin in 2011, purchasing 1,366 Bitcoins for less than $500 each in 2015. In 2017, he sold 640 Bitcoins at an average price of $5,807.53, investing $3.7 million in real estate. 3. However, Algren significantly underreported the capital gains from these Bitcoin transactions on his 2017 federal income tax return. Between 2018 and 2019, He also failed to report over $650,000 in Bitcoin sales profits. 4. The U.S. Department of Justice stated that Algren attempted to conceal the flow of funds by using multiple cryptocurrency wallets, mixers, and cash transactions. He was ultimately sentenced to 2 years in prison and ordered to repay $1.1 million. 5. This case marks the first criminal tax evasion case centered around cryptocurrency in the U.S. Overall, this case highlights the need for investors to exercise caution when reporting cryptocurrency transaction profits, as failure to do so may lead to severe legal consequences. Regulatory agencies are intensifying tax enforcement on cryptocurrency transactions. ***. Briefing content ***. December 19, 2024. Theme: The rise of Solana blockchain and innovations from Lightchain AI. The Solana blockchain continues to demonstrate strong growth in 2024, becoming the preferred choice for a new generation of developers. Its transaction volume reached a historical high of 669,000 on May 9, surpassing the total of other mainstream blockchains. This success is attributed to Solana's high-speed transactions, low fees, and a thriving ecosystem that has attracted a large influx of retail investors participating in popular projects like memecoins and NFTs. Meanwhile, Lightchain AI is reshaping the future of blockchain technology with its innovative proof of intelligence, consensus mechanism, and artificial intelligence virtual machine (AIVM). Its unique technological approach showcases significant potential in scalability, privacy protection, and AI computing capabilities. Currently, Lightchain AI is in its pre-sale phase, priced at just $0.003, offering investors a rare low-cost entry opportunity. In summary, the strong performance of Solana and the innovations from Lightchain AI reflect the vibrancy and opportunities present in the current cryptocurrency market. For investors, Solana offers a relatively mature option with stable growth potential, while Lightchain AI, with its cutting-edge technology, holds greater explosive potential. Both have their advantages, and investors should weigh their choices based on their risk preferences and return expectations. December 19, 2024 Briefing: The Satoshi Nakamoto Dispute. Key points ***. 1. Craig Wright, who claims to be Satoshi Nakamoto, has reappeared in court, facing contempt charges from the Crypto Open Patent Alliance, COPA. COPA is seeking an 18-month prison sentence for Wright, with the possibility of an additional 6 months. 2. Previously, the court ruled that Wright's claim of being Satoshi Nakamoto is false. Nevertheless, Wright continues to seek compensation for Bitcoin intellectual property rights through litigation, involving amounts as high as £900 million. 3. Although Wright did not appear in court to respond, COPA offered to cover his travel and loss expenses, but Wright declined, citing an inability to afford travel and business losses. The judge is expected to make a ruling tomorrow. 4. This case reflects the long-standing skepticism and resistance from the Bitcoin community regarding Wright's self-identification as Satoshi Nakamoto. His actions have been accused of weaponizing the UK judicial system against perceived enemies. Overall, this dispute underscores the importance of identifying Satoshi Nakamoto in the digital currency industry and the risks of individuals or institutions abusing legal means. The court's final ruling will bring closure to this controversy. December 19, 2024 Briefing: Vitalik Buterin's vision for Web3 wallets. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin recently outlined his vision for the future of Web3 wallets in a blog post. He emphasized the need to improve security and privacy while simplifying transfers across Layer 2 networks. Buterin proposed several key recommendations. 1. Integrate privacy features directly into all Web3 wallets rather than relying on specialized privacy wallets. He suggested that wallets could store some assets in privacy pools for fund transfers to enhance on-chain privacy. 2. Incorporate multi-signature authorization in all Web3 wallets to provide additional security protection. 3. Enhance wallet functionality to allow users to send tokens directly to other Layer 2 network wallets, simplifying cross-network transfers. He proposed using a new address format that includes Layer 2 network identifiers. But Aaron also plans to only publicly mention Layer 2 networks with valid fraud proofs or validity proof mechanisms before 2025, promoting the acceleration of decentralization. These recommendations signify an important evolution for Web3 wallets, placing security and usability at the forefront of development. As a leading figure in the Ethereum space, Buterin's vision sets new standards for the entire industry. Meanwhile, emerging wallets like Plus Wallet and Phantom Wallet are continuously improving cross-chain compatibility, instant token listings, and unlimited rewards, providing users with a more dynamic and convenient mobile trading experience. The following is a briefing based on the content of multiple articles. Changpeng Zhao, a firm supporter of Bitcoin. 1. Changpeng Zhao, CZ, co-founder of Binance, expressed his strong support for Bitcoin at the recent Bitcoin Middle East and North Africa conference. 2. CZ believes Bitcoin should not just be labeled as Bitcoin, but rather viewed as currency. He predicts that as more countries adopt Bitcoin, its value will significantly increase. 3. CZ considers the establishment of a strategic Bitcoin reserve by the US a very wise move, which will encourage other countries to follow suit. He predicts that China will quietly accumulate Bitcoin without making public announcements. 4. CZ estimates that currently about 5% to 10% of consumers have invested in Bitcoin, with the adoption rate potentially reaching 50% to 70% in the coming years, and even possibly 100%. He believes Bitcoin's market value should far exceed that of gold, potentially reaching $850,000 per coin. 5. However, prior to CZ's optimistic predictions, El Salvador announced it would no longer recognize Bitcoin as legal tender, which somewhat contradicts CZ's views. In summary, CZ is a staunch supporter of Bitcoin, holding an optimistic outlook on its future development, and predicting that national-level adoption will drive a significant increase in Bitcoin's value. Despite some dissenting voices, CZ remains confident that Bitcoin will become mainstream. Briefing December 19, 2024. Theme: Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong criticizes former SEC officials joining law firms. Key information 1. Armstrong stated that Coinbase will not collaborate with the law firm Milbank, which has hired former SEC enforcement officer Gerber S. Gruhl. During his tenure at the SEC, Gruhl initiated over 100 enforcement actions against cryptocurrency companies. 2. Armstrong believes that these former regulators joining law firms after leaving the SEC is a form of ethical violation, as they previously attempted to illegally target the cryptocurrency industry while refusing to establish clear rules. 3. Armstrong emphasized that this is not cancel culture, but rather a stance that the cryptocurrency industry should adopt. He called on other companies to convey this position to their law firms as well. 4. Armstrong stressed that this is not a permanent cancellation, as former regulators can work in other fields, but cryptocurrency companies should not bear the consequences of their actions. Conclusion Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong firmly opposes former SEC enforcement officials joining law firms, viewing it as an ethical issue, and calls for a unified stance within the cryptocurrency industry to refuse collaboration with such firms. This reflects the industry's strong dissatisfaction with regulatory uncertainty and its determination to protect its interests. Briefing content A Charlie Brown Christmas, from near cancellation to classic status. December 19, 2024. 1. A Charlie Brown Christmas is a 1965 animated television special that tells the story of introverted Charlie Brown searching for the true meaning of the holiday season. 2. The program faced numerous obstacles during production, with CBS concerned that it was too slow and serious, not aligning with audience expectations for a cheerful show. However, it aired as scheduled and won an Emmy Award and a Peabody Award. 3. The key to the program's success was the creative team's commitment to their vision, not catering to mainstream tastes, but sincerely expressing reflections on the commercialization of Christmas and the pursuit of spiritual values. 4. In the show, Charlie Brown chooses a small, ugly Christmas tree, which is ultimately accepted and appreciated by his friends, conveying the theme of love and tolerance. Additionally, the scene where Linus quotes the Bible prompts viewers to reflect on religious significance. 5. Today, A Charlie Brown Christmas has become a classic, attracting a large audience during its annual replays. It is not only a whimsical program but also contains profound philosophical and spiritual connotations, becoming a cultural symbol that transcends generations. Briefing **. Gavin Wood, co-founder and CTO of Ethereum. Gavin Wood is a co-founder and CTO of the Ethereum project. He is a co-designer of the Ethereum protocol and wrote its formal specification. He also created and wrote the first functional implementation of Ethereum. Wood designed and managed the Solidity language, served as the project lead for the IDE, and designed and implemented the Whisper protocol. He has driven state-of-the-art developments in analysis tools and programming languages, and co-founded several tech startups. Wood holds a PhD in computer science from the University of York. His new project is the Polkadot protocol, aimed at connecting public and private blockchains to enable interoperability. This ambitious project facilitates seamless connections for enterprises wishing to work on private blockchains with public ones. Wood is the founder and current director of Parity Technologies Limited. He has advanced developments in analysis tools and programming languages, and co-founded several tech startups, including Grid Singularity and Ethereum. He is a co-designer of the Ethereum protocol, wrote its formal specification, created and wrote the first functional implementation of Ethereum, designed and managed the Solidity language, served as the project lead for the IDE, and designed and implemented the Whisper protocol. The following is a briefing based on the content of multiple articles **. Joseph Lubin, a versatile talent at the intersection of technology and finance. Joseph Lubin is a well-experienced figure in the technology and finance sectors. After graduating from Princeton University with a degree in electrical engineering and computer science, he worked on autonomous mobile robotics, machine vision, and artificial neural networks at Princeton University and visual applications. He later participated in developing autonomous music composition tools and worked in software engineering, finance, and cryptography at companies like Goldman Sachs and Identris. 2 years later, he was invited to join the Ethereum project. Ethereum co-founder Lubin holds an optimistic view of the development of cryptocurrency and Web3. He stated that 2024 will be a significant year for cryptocurrency development, as the U.S. presidential election could bring a clearer regulatory environment with a Trump victory. Increased awareness of cryptocurrency in Indonesia, but understanding remains limited. According to a survey by Consensus and YouGov, awareness of cryptocurrency in Indonesia increased by 4% in 2024, ranking second highest in Asia. However, 63% of respondents indicated that they have limited understanding of cryptocurrency concepts, highlighting the need for simple and comprehensible education to boost public confidence in the digital age. Rapid growth of cryptocurrency trading in Indonesia. From January to August 2024, Indonesia's cryptocurrency trading volume reached 391 billion rupiah, a year-on-year increase of 360.03%. Major trading varieties include Tether, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, and Pepe. Regulatory agencies believe this growth is due to increased public interest in cryptocurrency as an alternative investment and the rising level of digital literacy. Additionally, the article mentions the discovery of pigs infected with the Ebola restin virus in the Philippines. This marks the first detection of the virus in pigs, raising concerns and investigations from international organizations. In summary, this briefing comprehensively encapsulates the core information from the articles, highlighting Joseph Lubin's rich experience in technology and finance while focusing on the current state of cryptocurrency development in Indonesia, and briefly mentioning the discovery of the Ebola restin virus in pigs. The content is concise and informative, achieving the goal of emphasizing key points while summarizing the overall narrative. ***. Briefing content ***. Wu Jihan, the undisputed king of cryptocurrency mining machines and pools. Wu Jihan's Bitmain company is valued at $12 billion, making it one of the most valuable companies in the cryptocurrency industry. Wu Jihan is a strong supporter of Bitcoin Cash and previously led a $110 million funding round for the cryptocurrency startup Circle. Wu Jihan stated that in the future, Bitmain will shift its business focus to stablecoins and artificial intelligence chips to achieve diversified development. Overall, Wu Jihan has become an important player in the cryptocurrency industry due to Bitmain's dominance in mining machines and pools, and his future plans in stablecoins and AI chips are also worth watching. December 19, 2024 Briefing, Nick Szabo. Content Summary ***. Nick Szabo is a computer scientist and cryptographer, regarded as one of the pioneers of the Bitcoin concept. He proposed the idea of smart contracts in the 1990s, laying the foundation for later blockchain technology. In 1994, Szabo published The Idea of Smart Contracts, introducing the concept of smart contracts. He argued that using computer programs to automatically execute contract terms could reduce transaction costs and improve efficiency. This idea provided a theoretical basis for later blockchain technology. Although Szabo has never publicly acknowledged himself as Satoshi Nakamoto, it is widely believed in the industry that he is likely the creator of Bitcoin. Szabo's research contributions in cryptography and digital currency significantly influenced the birth of Bitcoin. Additionally, Szabo proposed the concept of minimizing trusted third parties, suggesting that distributed ledger technology could reduce reliance on third-party intermediaries, enhancing transaction security and transparency. This idea has also profoundly impacted the development of blockchain technology. In summary, Nick Szabo is one of the pioneers of blockchain technology, and his concepts of smart contracts and minimizing trusted third parties have laid the theoretical groundwork for the development of Bitcoin and blockchain, having a far-reaching impact on digital currency and distributed ledger technology. Andreas M. Antonopoulos Briefing. December 19, 2024. This briefing primarily focuses on renowned cryptocurrency expert Andreas M. Antonopoulos, covering two important topics he participated in, the Axie Infinity game and the MailChimp internal leak incident. Axie Infinity is a play-to-earn game based on the Ethereum blockchain that has rapidly gained popularity in places like the Philippines. The game allows players to purchase, breed, trade, and battle non-fungible token (NFT) characters called Axies. During the pandemic, Axie Infinity provided many Filipinos with a legitimate way to earn money, with some even quitting their jobs. However, the game's scholarship and lending programs have sparked ethical discussions about low-paying job outsourcing and geographic opportunity inequality. Additionally, Antonopoulos participated in discussions regarding the MailChimp internal leak incident, which targeted cryptocurrency holders. He proposed 3 simple rules that, if followed, could help protect individuals from similar vulnerabilities. In summary, this briefing highlights Antonopoulos's insights and perspectives on Axie Infinity and the MailChimp incident, emphasizing the core information of both topics and succinctly summarizing the entire content of the articles.